Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to be basically reviewing the Integrated Engineering High Flow Catted Downpipe. I'm going to tell you right now, overall, it's a very good quality downpipe. Great fitment and all that, you know, you don't have to worry about anything. For those of you that don't really want bad wastegate rattle, it's good, it's great. We're going to start off by giving you a quick startup real quick. Alright guys, so that's it for the video. Overall, the downpipe is an amazing product. I 100% recommend it. I don't hear any drone personally in my car, so if you're worried about drone, this is the downpipe to go for. If you're worried about wastegate rattle as well and you want to go to stage 2, this is a good option right here. That's going to be it for this video. Please like and subscribe for more content. I'm going to be doing a lot more reviews, a lot more racing with this car. There's a lot of things that I'm going to be doing. So see you all in the next one.